Yeah, my people, my name na Ajibola Ismail Oluwadamilola Omoti Afojakpoinde. Yeah. So yeah, na me be una person street psychologist again. Yeah. So today na my first outdoor this thing you feel see everywhere. Yes, I dey outdoor. Now my first outdoor video be this, but Mona get used to them because sooner or later the whole idea of street psychologist now so we go outdoor, they follow people talk on their personality type and things wey relate to psychology. So this is just like one of the video where we go address say make I dey outdoor. Now we don't dey talk about different personality types. We don't talk about openness. We don't talk about agreeableness. We don't talk about extroversion, introversion. Yes. So all these concepts we don't dey talk about so far now based on the big five categorization of personality. So the next one we want to talk about today now conscientiousness. Now before we talk about that one, I want make una know say no be only this personality classification dey, because few people don't call me, don't let me know say okay some of the personality types who I don't talk about match their own, and while some people talk say okay to match their own like that, yeah, definitely no be everything where they inside the big five now you feel agree with, if you get some parts now why we be say no totally tally with you get, because the more why they try post I find out say some people actually they go research more on am, but I'm happy about that, like it is very very welcome. So the personality type we will talk about today in our conscientiousness. Now the word conscientiousness for psychology has to do with personality types where we say they naturally careful and diligent. Now this careful and diligent, make I break them down. This kind of personality type now the kind of people we be say when you they talk about maybe like say make something they serious, may they take something serious, they very very down with them. So if you give this kind of people work, person way they conscientious, we score high for conscientiousness. If you give them work, he go fear you the way you go take handle them. You know one address them as if say no now something. If you tell them say exam na in 2 months time, if you don't start to they read, they ready to give any lapses. This kind of person, a person will be say in the very 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 serious, in the very very careful. Now this kind of people in terms of profession, if we go use personality type, they go do well for all this medical fields, all this kind of medicine and the rest, because it guys do we say make you be careful. The person we can score low for conscientiousness. If person will score high for conscientiousness, they careful. Obviously, person will score low for conscientiousness means say go they careless. So now that kind of person now you go handle small thing, you don't scatter. You go tell them, oh yeah, do this thing this way. You go tell you say no say I'm do. Actually, no be by say now them get disruptive attitude. Now their personality. Now another thing we deal with these conscientious people, now their attitude towards work, they very very serious. So if you get one kind of guy now for your office where you go they look say this man no even a big joke, any small thing in they take everything serious. It too like work, he carry work put for head. Or you get this kind of person as follower, you go they look say small work where they tell us this person don't carry and put for head, he don't execute them. That kind of person, if you tell them say auditors they come around 2 o'clock, around overnight now he go go wait till the following day of work before he execute them. Now as follower, it dey good for the leader to get person wey score high for conscientiousness, because you just know say any instruction where you give this person go follow am. But when you get this person wey score low on conscientiousness as a follower, you know say you get a lot of work to do. You guys pay extra attention to waiting the person they do. Now another scenario where if you use look now motor say for marketplace, you get person wey score high for conscientiousness. Now this person wey score high for conscientiousness, being careful, if una talk say environmental now by from 8 to 10, this person don already dey market around 7. This person don already start to dey sweep, he don dey arrange your own kiosk and all. But person wey dey very very careful, wey be say no they send anybody, wey go score low for conscientiousness. This kind of person now, as we even talk say environmental now between 8 and 10, now then you go start to the come market around after 10. So now you go see this kind of person now we come they get fight, you go they para for this person, say why you know they serious with things, we go call something. This kind of person, if you tell them say meeting na by 12, around 1:30 now you go they call, you go tell say everybody done dey there. Now that is very very wrong and normal. The truth be say we gats know people around us so that we go fit handle people wey dey around us, we go fit know how to work with them. So if you get this kind of person as friend or as follower, you go know how you fit take treat am. Another serious part of am na say they always dey serious. Person wey score high for conscientiousness, they serious. Like the part of the seriousness now say they take things like with adequacy. Other people they look am from the angle of say, yeah, no worry, it no matter. People where they talk about say no matter now, the people where they score low for conscientiousness, because based on all this no matter feeling, that they feel say serious. Yeah, but not be everything about life they serious. Some things they way they very very serious, where you got act towards say make it they serious. So now person wey score high on conscientiousness go dey very very good at say make I keep things in order, make I take things serious. I go make reference to my my undergraduate thesis where I do that is psychosocial correlate of waste management. Part of my hypothesis where I be test now based on say if conscientious people being say I know their personality type, I know say they be the type where they say that they like take things the way it's supposed to take they serious with things. I can't try test them say okay, sure they go get this kind of same attitude towards waste management. Like say maybe they dispose their waste properly. If they drink something finish, they go dispose them, because sometimes refuse bin they wey be say one go be for bottle, one go be for paper, they go obey all these signs. But luckily for my research, I find out say yes, they do am, they obey. Now this one no be because of say they go beat them or anything, not just because of their personality type. So based on their personality type, they obey instruction well. So if you get this kind of person as leader, they ready to work. Now the truth be that, because anything will come from another superior person say do this thing this way, he go make sure say everybody do them that way. Now you go find out say this conscientiousness wey we dey talk about tally closely with maybe openness to experience, but maybe on the lower side on openness to experience. But no, they different, because e get more attributes wey be say I fit know they talk about, but all these attributes to play role for conscientiousness. I dey only talk about the key features. A lot of other features they wey be say accompanying some of these things. So on this note, I want let you know say my popular saying say no be only person way mad now they see psychologist. A lot of people way understand their personality types need to see psychologists. So on that note, I want end my first outdoor we say I go call them podcast or video. Yeah. So I don't get Facebook account for street psychology. I don't get my TikTok account for street psychology. So as much as una don't already follow me on IG, una subscribe to my YouTube channel, una try follow me on TikTok as well and on Facebook, because totally everything will make the experience better. My YouTube page now you get the like full version of most of these videos, and because of say IG they only take 15 minutes, so sometimes I need crop them, but for my YouTube the full video they did there. So on that note, I want to let you know say goat na goat even if you carry on past border. So on that note, thank you very much. Meh.